Alright, it's me, Lonnie. It's your boy Trey.
What up?
We about to watch this dumbass nigga Keith do this dumbass flip and fuck up. As of right now, he all the way down the motherfucking street somewhere. He trying to get some speed because he just rented a Camaro SS, and you know, so he think he Jeff Gordon or some type shit, but the nigga more like Barry Sanders in driving. So we about to watch him fail down here in Houston. It's too damn hot, but here you go. Look out. Oh!
Oh, hell. This nigga fucked up.
I'm saying niggas go this way.
Dog, what did you just say? This nigga called
Did I just say, did I call it, nigga? I'm like Kobe. I just called this shit.
Oh, this nigga fucked up.
Oh, yeah, it's all on camera.
Bro, how would you explain this shit, bro?
Oh, damn.
Damn.
I thought nigga almost died, nigga. Oh. Damn.
Double down.
Oh, it's not a pole too. Look at the pole. America, did y'all see the pole? Oh! Here's the police. Deuces. Hey, man. Just go face the music, dog. Off control and stuff, dog. Hey, you gotta go face the music about to go something.
You got a warrant? Yeah. In Houston? Yeah. Damn, bro. Well, yeah. Well, don't nobody have to take a ticket for it, but I ain't trying to get arrested. My head. Cuzzo. What are you gonna do, fam?
He about to go tow the car.
He finna come get you, bro.
Yeah. Because them people is over there just snitched.